starting out on something scary right off the bat. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. I thought we weren't doing
I
the
think we need
lion's
the GoPro
back.
right here facing you guys.
Yeah.
It's the same way in and out.
So make sure
Oh, down there's out. Well, but where those Jeeps are lined up there,
Yeah.
I ended up coming out that way. I don't know where I made the turn.
I'm going to make a rule, Neil. No texting while up here, okay?
This is what the mountain bike is like right there. Just like this. All these little white arrows on the ground.
Yeah.
How many times have we done this now? What?
That's your pausing because you weren't sure. Just go very secure though, doesn't it? You getting a little slipping with the tires? Is that what the squeaking was?
Yeah.
Turn back to the end.
Through here some places. You'll see bike paths.
Yeah.
That's like Dig your Toyota on this, Nathan?
I'm trusting your Jeep and you're driving. That's what I'm trusting you.
What's the pitch that you say, nah, there's got to be one?
That's pretty steep there. That's supposed to.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, there's got to be a number. 45?
Oh, no, it's stiffy with that. The Hell's Gaze, where people not just going slow, you flip. It's when they gun it and it picks up the front and you roll it.
People mount cameras in the front so they can see it.
Yeah, sometimes they'll mount them to the bumper.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Stop here for a second. That's perfect.
Maybe. Oh, where's that? You can't see over the front.
That's what?
somewhere down there. Oh my gosh.
This is ended up being a good spot.
This place is halfway here.
Crazy. This is fun, y'all. With your phone, breaking the rules.
Don't worry about traffic.
No, it's more like go off the edge.
You see the edge of this one? That's what's scary is when you can't see over the edge and you don't know what you're going.
It's okay to go a little slower if you're concerned, you know? Slowing down, getting off the gas pedal. That's wrong.
It's okay to slow down a little bit. Especially if you're not sure what we're doing.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, hell no.
All right, Nathan.
Close my eyes. Steepness. I'm kind of worried about Travis. Maybe we should do videos. He's freaking insane. Oh shit, bar little thing. After that,
Oh,
goes,
it gets-
I'm
it
about to
gets
grab his
steeper.
ear.
It gets steeper here.
Yeah. I'm recording.
The top. I see yellow over here.
I have those stickies that can go on your hood for the GoPro. If at any point you want to transition to that, I can put one on. And
You can also put the bar maybe on.
oh, that's true.
Oh, here we go. Shows you where you're supposed to stay inside of. That's interesting. Yellow lines. Am I inside? I can't
Go further to the right here.
You're on the inside of your one on the left. Yeah.
That's cool.
pushing on it.
Here we go.
I'm not really happy that my seatbelt's not working.
Wait, your seatbelt's not
Something's
working.
catching on it, so it keeps getting really loose. One-handed mill. Yeah. You catching this on video here, Travis? Oh, my water bottle.
There went there.
I'm going out this side. I'll be right back.
It's probably a good spot. I should jump.
Hurry up before it goes.
Oh no. Gimpy Nathan.
Gimpy Nathan.
Here, give me your camera. Let me snap a quick picture of you here. Or you want me to... This is a good angle down here.
Good?
Yep. I'm behind you.
I like that they have to bring 2 Jeeps with it to make sure they get it in and out of here. Are you guys a testing crew with Vivian? That's cool. Alright, that's good.
All electric, huh?
All of it. That's a scary feeling.
Yes. Shit, a little poop just here. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Just overlook here.
Everything's just up to my daughter, Evie.
See. You changing your mind yet, Travis? Fools.
Got this.
Are you supposed to be only on 2 tires right now?
I'm too scared to laugh.
Oh no! Oh! Careful. I could have stood underneath that front right tire. It was so high in there. It was like this high in there.
What do I need to do?
Maybe hug the wall just a little bit more to the right.
He's bailing on me.
That's not a safe way to get out. He needs.
I can't be in the.
Hey Neil, tell me what I need to look for.
I'm so scared. Is my front tire down? It's
It
down
is,
now.
but tell me what I need to look for you.
I don't know, to tell you the truth.
This is what I would suggest. I think you need a more of an approach to your left.
Yeah,
Because you want to get that left tire higher, that left front tire higher.
The left front tire higher?
Yeah.
higher up to your right. Yeah, he's right on that. Yeah, angle in that way.
This way?
Yeah, just about 6 or
No,
9.
then you want him to go further left.
I thought he wanted to get his tire up there on the wall, maybe.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing good, Neil. And now start coming to your left. If you can. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, well done, man. Well done.
Oh. I think I shit myself.
Fuck you for trying to even talk me into getting into that Jeep.
Oh my god.
All right, come on, keep all 4 wheels on the rock there, Travis. Come on.
There's some moisture coming out here. I think the car was peeing a little bit.
You brought your cup out with you.
He's got oil coming out.
Hey, you might be dripping a little oil there, Neil. Oh, now he's driving with one hand.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
It's probably time to turn around.
Yeah.
We're not rocketing to space here. You know, like I can't see any ground underneath. It's just straight sky.
I don't want to crawl out. It's dangerous.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's think
I'm
it's.
gonna die.
Let's just back it
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Back her
You're
up.
outvoted, buddy. Oh.
You know where you're backing to? Let's.
He's doing it one-handed.
Oh my gosh, that was way too steep.
He doesn't know where he's going, and he's doing it one-handed.
I couldn't look. I was waiting for the back roll, man. I was like,
Oh fuck. Somewhere down there.
Oh my god.
That's what's scary is when you can't see over the edge, you don't know what you're going.
Left there, just on the black, huh? Boy.
Yeah, something like that. Whoa. Oh jeez.
Let's go now.
Just a little slower. Slow down.
Switch places
Got
last
the
night,
gas
too.
pedal.
You guys have anything special on this package down here? No, this is just your stock.
It's stock, nothing.
Stock truck.
That's crazy.
You guys didn't even change to mud tires or all-terrains?
Nope. The factory all trains.
They are
That's
factory
crazy.
Yeah, 20 inch.
Is this your high-end model as far as range is concerned?
It's the only one that's on sale right now. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the 315 EPA.
You guys are getting a lot more than 315 though,
Does
aren't
it have a
you?
like posi track?
Depends on how you drive. 4 motors.
Yeah, each wheel.
One on each wheel.
Is this something this guy's done before? Is that? Yeah. Well, yeah. That's cool.
Dude, go right, go right.
That's crazy. Has he done this one already?
Is his seatbelt not on? Oh, I got it. I didn't know off the ground. See, he meant to do that for a photo op. I didn't. He's just so calm and
Look at him go. That's rad.
He's done this before.
Are you guys ever hovering? I've been waiting for the Cybertruck to come out, but this might change my mind. That's pretty fantastic. Oh, that's close. Way to go, man.